Hey guys, I'm back. I want to talk to you real quick. I'm going to show you some results of a strategy that I'm using. Text message marketing. Okay, sending out text messages to people, and I'm using the voicemail, the ringless voicemail. Okay, so I want you to check something out here, some results just from one campaign. Okay, that I did. I dropped some voicemails and look at the results. Okay, so check this out. All right, check this out. This was on 8/7. All right, I initially started with 2,000 leads. Okay, disregard this little button that says invalid because I missed a step when I first loaded them, and so when I sent them out, the system just marked them all invalid. So I reloaded them and did it correctly. So right here you can see out of the 2,000, 1,831 was completed. 97.97% was a success rate. Okay, so it only cost me $40 to run that campaign. Now this is what I'm pleased about. First of all, the success rate. 38 failed. Now what does that mean? Let me show you. I like this system because I can check the stats and the analytics. I'm a stickler on that. So when I click here, it tells me that the voicemail was not detected. So there was no voicemail set up for those. Okay, that's okay. 38. Okay, so let's keep going. Let me show you something. Okay, so only 38 failed. Not bad. Okay, now this is the ultimate goal because I am promoting Textbot. So far, this is the first campaign I used, and I'm sending information for them to go check out Textbot. Now, what I like about this, it shows me how many people call back my number, and the number I put in the system as the caller ID is my Textbot number. Okay, 845-253-6408. So they're not calling me back. They're not calling my cell phone, any of that. They're calling back the Textbot number. So out of those so far of this campaign, 163 people have called my Textbot number. That's the goal. They want you to have people share your number, right? So these people call the Textbot number. You let the system do the selling and telling. Okay. Now all I did is drop a voicemail drop. Okay. I haven't even used the texting platform yet to send a actual text. I'm just using the drops. So this strategy works. So let's go a little further. Let me log into Textbot so you can see all these calls that have come in. Okay. Okay, so I'm covering up this, the information, but if you look here, look at these calls. Okay, back to back to back to back to back. That's from people calling my Textbot number from that campaign. Okay. Now, let me show you. I had a few people that have signed up so far as well. From this little strategy, guys, it's very simple. Send a text blast with ringless voicemail. Okay, so let's go check that out. Okay, so if we go to our email, okay, see here on the 7th, 2 sign-ups. 2 days before that, another sign-up came in. But from that campaign, 2 sign-ups. Okay, so text message marketing works. Okay, so if you're interested in that, I'm going to put a link below. Go check it out. See the system that I'm using. Okay, guys, and I only spent $40 for that. Okay, and the potential of what could be made is, remember, Textbot pays $100 if they get just AVA. But what if the folks are going to sign up and they get AVA Plus? That will be $500 for me. Okay, so it's non-intrusive because, remember, the drops are just going to go into the person's phone. The phone never rings. They just look at their phone. They see a notification where they have a voicemail. And most people, what's the first thing they do? Is they just call back the number. Oh, I had a voicemail. I missed a call. When they call it back, I'm sending them to my Textbot number. Okay, that's the goal. How would you like to have had 100 people call your Textbot number? Okay, so just imagine, as that was 2,000, 2,000 leads. So just imagine once I go ahead and just do a 10,000 blast, it's just going to be incredible. Now, for everybody that joins me in Textbot at the AVA Plus level, okay, that's $550 for AVA Plus. I'm going to send a 5,000 text message campaign on your behalf. Okay, that's how that's going to work. I'm going to use this strategy to help you as well. Okay, so go check it out. Actually go to www.mobilemarketing.ws if you're interested in getting this tool and doing what I did to help promote your business. Okay, so let's get a marketing plan for you. For Textbot or whatever other business that you have, you can use mobile marketing to do that, guys. All right, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video.